Today I will be unboxing my new 3D printer. It's the original Prusa i3 Mark II. I've been waiting for this for 8 weeks now. So let's get into it. It's a very nice box actually, but as you can see, it's taken some hits. It's bent a lot of places, so let's just hope that they've packaged it well inside, and also up here there's a dent. So yeah, we hope it'll be intact. Apparently I'm not old enough to open a 3D printer. Let's look at this. At least it has protection inside. There's a congratulations on buying a 3D printer. That's nice, I guess. And there's There's a checklist on the back side where it looks like a person has actually checked off that they put everything in the box. So that's nice. And the most important thing about buying the original Prusa i3 Mark II, Haribo. And the test sheet, that's also very nice. But it appears as though the power supply has been able to shift around inside. Let me take you closer. See, if you look at this, you can see it has been dangling around. So let's hope that that didn't affect anything. A 3D printing handbook. I think it will be nice, I don't know. Let's see. The power supply, which has its own case, which is very nice, so you don't have to make any janky solutions. Power cord. Sorry for everyone who uses earphones. A box. No one knows what's in this, so let's check it out. Ooh. And here we have what appears to be all the printed parts. I don't know. I have no idea. Let's look in the other box. Oh, this one's heavy. Some more parts. Oh yeah. Pro tip: when you order your printer from them, if you just tell them that you would like them to include the original E3D silicone sock, they will do it for free. Okay, let's get on with it. This appears to be all the mounting hardware. And toolkit. We'll probably be throwing this out anyways, but it's nice though. It's very nice that it's all labeled. See, it says 5 E-axis, 4 Z-axis, XY axis, LCD. I would have had no idea if it was not written on there. I have to really give them mad props for doing it like this, because it's very easy for even noobs like us to, or newbies for us to do it. Yeah, this looks to be the original E3D with the Pinner Pro. Some glue stick, which is needed for, I think it's PETG, because it will stick way too well on the PEI sheet, so you actually have to use this as a medium in between your build plate and the PETG, because otherwise you could end up pulling off your PEI sheet. And I see a lot of people, they have no idea what this is for when they unbox it. This is for putting in the cable sleeving to make sure that the cable sleeving won't coil around. So this is to keep it off the build plate, if you want to know. Anyone? I don't know. Ooh. Filament in the Prusa silver. I know that Prusa is orange, but they always show the silver Linda, and I will also be printing that a Linda dragon, or frog, or frog dragon, or dragon frog. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I would guess this is the frame. Oh yeah, and the build plate. Nice. So the frame, the carriage, and the build plate. Wow, this is actually very nice quality. It appears to be powder coated. It has a very nice silver sheen. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it looks really good. I'm even more excited to get this printer assembled now. Here it says what it is though, so that's nice. But it's the motor kits. And these are the small little cute motors with some nice printing on. I actually really like that. So yeah, oh, and we need all the axes and the bearings, I guess, if they weren't in one of the other cases. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, there's some bearing. No, not bearing. There's some rods. There's some threaded rods. There's this cable sleeving. Yeah, I think that's it. So I will be assembling this and make a build video of it, and perhaps also make a review video of it. So please like this video, comment on anything you perhaps want to see, or if there's something that I didn't show that you want me to show, and of course subscribe so you can see when the build video of it comes out. There will also be a video out of unboxing of some computer gear I just bought, so stay tuned for that as well. Have a nice day.